What's up, guys? It's Junior, aka Semi, here bringing another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on that like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on this channel, because we got a lot of great stuff, and trust me, you're not going to want to miss out. Alright, guys, so today we're going to go over a quick website I think is very useful for a lot of people. So I'm a person that likes to work on cars all the time. I work on cars, I'm pretty knowledgeable in it. I don't have to go to a mechanic and get something fixed on my car. I get some things pretty done myself pretty well, I might say. There are times that I'm a little stumped on stuff, I can't figure it out, and so I go to my trusty old YouTube and take a look and see how you get it done. But I came across this website I think is pretty cool for anybody that, because let's say you want to change a headlight bulb on your car but you don't know how to. Yes, that seems very simple, but there are cars that are more difficult to change it than other cars. This website right behind me, you see right behind me, gives you step-by-step video tutorials on how to do things on cars for any car. I would say almost 90% of the cars out there, you could do anything on there almost. So the website right behind me is called carcarekiosk.com. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can take a look at it when you get a chance, if you're something you're interested into. But I think this is a great thing because, as you guys know, I've done videos on me doing stuff to my 2013 Toyota Tacoma. I have to fix some stuff, replace some stuff, do some maintenance and stuff. And you've also seen me do stuff on my Honda S2000. I work on that more because it's an older car and there's a lot more stuff I gotta upgrade. I want to keep it running. As you guys, most of you know, that's a memorial car that I have for my brother that I'm never gonna get rid of. It was my brother's old car. When he passed away, I took it over because it was his car and I know I can work on it and fix it better. So I work on it. So I use this website for a couple of different things when I've done this used this so far, and I think this is a great website. Again, this is carcarekiosk.com. Just click on the link below and you'll get there if you want to check it out. So I'm gonna shrink myself down so we can see the web page better. But as you see, it's a simple web page. If you go on here, you see it gives you with over 60,000 free how-to videos produced since 2010. They've been doing this since 2010. So guys, we're talking about 15 years, over a decade of videos uploaded to this website so you guys can learn how to fix your car. It could be as little simple things or big things, but it's not gonna have everything for every single car. Like one can have how to replace a door handle on this car, but we won't have it for another car. It's not gonna have every single video, but at least this is a starter. If you want to learn something, you can go here and it'll start you over in the right spot. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick one of my vehicles as the choice right here, because if you go right here, you get the option to go ahead and pick a vehicle. So I'm gonna pick my Honda 2000. Alright, if I go down, I go to Honda. If I know how to spell, there you go. It's gonna say the model. I got the S2000. It tells you the year. Click on the year, and then it tells you which. It might give you different options. Like some car has 4, 6, 8 cylinders. It might give you different trim styles. You could, again, you look on it here and see what works for you. I'm gonna go with this one right here because that is my year. Alright, so here, once you click on all that, it'll give you all the things you need to know how to do right here, guys. Look at everything available right here. So this has a lot of things for this car here. Let's check on. It got simple stuff as how to change a clock, because some clocks in some cars are pretty difficult. I know that. Let's go with the engine. No, the cabin filter. Let's check that one out. Click on the air filter for the cabin. Click on that. And there's only one option to do, replace it. So you want to learn how to replace it, which this is something I didn't know. I looked it up just to see. I didn't know there was a cabin filter, and when I looked at this video, I was like, wow, that is, I gotta replace mine. It's gonna be the most. It says cabin, but it's not really in the cabin, which is weird. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna click on this, hit replace, and it'll bring the video. I'll tell you exactly which years it works for, what you're gonna be looking for here. Exactly what's going to be doing this video, and then once you're ready to watch it, you hit play. I'm going to mute it.
The air filter is located in the part of the vehicle known as the cowl.
Oh, I can't mute it, but see the cabin air
Remove
filter.
The trim covering the panel below the windshield to access the cabin air filter.
so I can't go ahead and mute it. So I went ahead and just muted my computer complete so you guys don't hear it. But usually the cabin air filter is inside the glove compartment of most vehicles, inside the car. In this car, it's on the outside. As you see, you gotta take off the windshield wiper cover. That's what I call that. I don't know what cover. And it's right there. You see it. You gotta replace it. And it's a small filter. That's where we replace it. But with this car, with the S2000s, which a lot of people don't know, is there's no glove compartment in that car. Well, technically there is, but there really isn't. The glove compartment is your center console in the back. So you have a little center console here, and then right in the back is your glove compartment, basically. That you have space here, and a little bit of space on top. It's pretty weird, but yeah, but that's where it is. It's on the outside. It tells you how to change it. If you look at step by step, because most filter cabinet, you see how this one right here, they're showing you it's underneath the car right here. It tells you where that's most cars are, but with the S2000 on the outside. So that's one thing I learned off this website, which I didn't know. I was like, okay, maybe it doesn't. I know they had a filter, just didn't know where it was. I never tried looking for it. All right, so there you guys go. That's a great video tutorial. But let's go back to the homepage so we don't have to see it. So I'm just gonna mute the whole thing because you don't have to hear it. All right, so let's take a look at my Toyota Tacoma. All right, so I'm gonna go to Toyota Tacoma. Where are you? Right there. Mine's a 13. I'm gonna go to 13, and then here, this is a prime example of different styles that they have that you. Because the Honda S2000 was very limited. They only had like one type of body style, so it really didn't change. It didn't vary. Might as well that. It didn't vary that much. So here you have different options. You go through this. If you know your specs of your car, basic specs, you'll be able to. So mine's a pre-runner. So mine's gonna be one of these. Mine's a 2.7 liter. So it's a 4-cylinder. It's not a real. It's not a toy pickup truck. It's just a pickup truck to have to like put stuff in the bed and carry it around. I wanted stuff like that because I pick up motors and stuff like that. So mine's a pre-runner 2.7. So I got two options. One says crew cab and one says extended cab. Mine's a crew cab. Well, it's a double cab, but they call that as a crew cab sometimes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick on this one right here since it's the closest to mine. And then here, same thing. You got a bunch of stuff here that you could go ahead and look through and see if what works for you. So let's go and take a look at power steering fluid. Just to take how to add fluid, how to check fluid. So I'm gonna do check fluid level. So here you'll give you all the information here, and if you want to take the video, you'll start the video and just watch it, and it'll tell you exactly how to check it, where to go. It tells you it's right there. You open it up, and it's step by step, guys. These are the basic stuff. It's not gonna give you hardcore material, how to drop a transmission. It's not gonna give you that. But it'll give you basic stuff for you to go ahead and do maintenance on your own car, so you don't have to go spend a mechanic to do it for you. Like you want to do an oil change, it tells you how to do oil change. I'm gonna go back again. Close. It does have ads. I want to see. I know it does. It tells you how to do an oil change. Let me see if this one does have it. Let me take a look. Okay, locate oil cap. Oh, it doesn't have the oil change. Okay, right here. How to change oil and filter on this Tacoma. Open it up. Yeah, this is my Tacoma right here, and then we're gonna play it, and then once you're in here, sometimes you'll get an ad. It has a 30-second ad right here, but it'll tell you how to do oil change. So it lets you. This website is good to teach you all your basic essentials, how to do stuff to your vehicle that you could do instead of paying a mechanic, any local shop to do it for you. If you don't mind getting your hands a little dirty, you can do it for you right there. So guys, I think this is an awesome website for car enthusiast beginners, and let you learn the fundamentals of doing stuff to the car, just not high performance stuff, but regular maintenance stuff. And from there, that's how I learned. I graduated from learning the basic stuff on a vehicle to evolving to doing the stuff I know how to do now. So this is a great start for all my car enthusiasts, and hopefully this is a good website for you to check out. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as it can. And guys, if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, click on that subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you're never going to miss out. And that's it for today guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.